Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Despite being a bit long in the tooth, the Audi A6 continues to be one of the easiest recommendations we make to family and friends searching for a nice, competent luxury sedan. It's set to be replaced by an all-new 2019 model soon, but that didn't stop us from including the current model on our editor's choice list for 2018. Its agile handling, snazzy looks, comfortable cabin, and long list of features amount to a well-rounded package that's undeniably appealing. The standard turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder provides plenty of gumption, but the optional supercharged 3.0-liter V6 really gives the A6 its legs. Front-wheel drive is standard, but we recommend the all-wheel drive model, which features Audi's legendary Quattro brand name and all-season stability. It's rare that a car at the tail end of its product cycle remains this competitive. Simply put, the next generation A6 has big shoes to fill. Highs: confident handling, zesty V6 acceleration, spacious and well-built cabin. Loss: small infotainment display, expensive active safety tech, tricky brakes. Verdict: don't let its business-like look fool you, the A6 also knows how to party. What's new for 2018? The slightly more powerful, 340 horsepower versus 333 horsepower, version of the supercharged 3.0-liter V6 from last year's competition model is now standard on any A6 wearing the 3.0T badge on its trunk lid. The Bass Premium trim gains navigation and a proximity key. A new sport trim joins the lineup and can be had with either the turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder or the V6. Choosing the sport trim adds 19-inch wheels, black exterior and interior trim, and a sport suspension with a ride height that is slightly lower than the standard A6. The mid-range Premium Plus trim is slightly updated with LED interior lighting and headlamps. The top-spec Prestige model now comes with the 360-degree exterior camera system as standard. Instead of a standalone competition model, Audi is now offering a competition package on V6-powered Premium Plus and Prestige trims, which includes red brake calipers, black mirror caps, 20-inch wheels with summer tires, a sport suspension, and a reworked Quattro all-wheel drive system. Inside, the competition package adds sport seats with diamond stitching, brushed aluminum trim, and a flat-bottomed steering wheel with shift paddles. What was new for 2017? A number of exterior styling enhancements kept the A6 looking fresh in 2017. The previously optional S-Line appearance package was made standard, and new wheel designs were added to differentiate them from the 2016 models. The optional black optics exterior styling package added a gloss black front grille and window trimming. A driver assistance package added lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic high-beam headlamps, automated emergency braking, and a 360-degree exterior camera system. The big news for 2017 was the addition of the competition model, which received a sport-tuned suspension, a flat-bottom steering wheel, sport seats, either aluminum or piano black interior trim, red painted brake calipers, and a 340 horsepower version of the supercharged 3.0-liter V6. Trims and options we'd choose. We're fans of confidence-inspiring sports sedans, and the A6 is one of our favorites. To dial in even more athleticism, we'd opt for the new sport trim. In addition to its sport-tuned suspension with a 0.8-inch drop in ride height, it adds a host of appearance items to the A6's exterior, including dark gray 19-inch wheels, black exterior trim, grille surround, and windowsills, gloss black mirror caps. We'd stick with the turbocharged 2.0-liter and Line 4, but we'd opt for Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system for $2,200. Pricing starts at $54,375 before any options, which we'd skip anyway, and unless white or black paint works for you, you'll pay another $575 to add a color to the A6's exterior. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.